In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Wise with QuickBooks. Step 1. Log into QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks online and sign in with your business account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Banking Transactions. Go to the Transactions menu and select Banking or Bank Transactions. Step 3. Link your Wise account. Click Link Account or Add Account and search for Wise. You will see options for different regions. Step 4. Select the correct Wise region. Choose the Wise account option that matches your business registration country to avoid connection errors. Step 5. Log into Wise. When redirected, log into your Wise business account and authorize QuickBooks to access your account data. Step 6. Select currency balances to sync. Choose the currency balances from your Wise account that you want QuickBooks to sync. Step 7. Choose Start Date for transactions. Select the date from which QuickBooks should start importing transactions from Wise. Step 8. Complete the connection. Confirm and establish the connection. QuickBooks will now sync Wise transactions into your banking feed. Step 9. Enable bill reconciliation. This is optional. From Wise, enable automatic marking of bills as paid in QuickBooks to simplify reconciliation and expense tracking. Now I have some tips for you. The authorization to share your data expires every 90 days. You will need to reauthorize. Multi-currency features in QuickBooks must be enabled for syncing multiple Wise currency balances. You may need a QuickBooks subscription plan that supports bank feeds. Verify sync transactions regularly to maintain clean accounts. And that's how you connect Wise and QuickBooks together. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll help you out.